After you go to Desmos.com in your web browser, this is the screen you will see. The first thing you do is you click the red button that says Start Graphing. Once the page loads, now we need to sign in by clicking this Sign In button here. Sign in with your Google account like you should do when you do anything for school. Now, my first name appears up here. When you see your first name, that means you're properly signed in. It's a good habit to always sign in because that way we can print, we can share, we can save our graphs. We won't need to do that today, but it's a good idea to do that. Instead of printing or sharing today, we're going to be taking screenshots of our graphs. In order to graph, we click over here and we type f of x equals. Now, we're working with the absolute value today. The best way to do that is down here on the keyboard. It's the A in between the absolute value bars. Then we type x and we get our graph. Now, our graph is red. We can change the color of our graph by clicking Edit List. Now, we can click on the red button and it will change the color of our graph. So I can change it to purple if I want and then click Done. To type another equation, you just hit Enter and it brings you up another box. And then you continue the process, and usually it brings up different colors, so you don't have to change the colors to tell which graph goes with which, but if you'd like to change the colors, you can. Once you have your graph on the screen, if you click the screen, the keyboard goes away, and you get it back using this Show Keypad down here. Or you can make it hide by clicking the arrow. Now that we have just the graph, we can click and drag and get a better picture of it. We can zoom out using the button over here to the right. We can also zoom in. So depending on what we need to take a screenshot of, we can move our graph around, zoom out, zoom in, to better see what we're looking for. This little tutorial and using Desmos.com should set you up nicely to complete today's assignment.